I'm sick of hearing that greedy landlords are to blame for the rental increases that we're seeing. We've seen changes to demand through increased migration, and then we've seen the government create an environment where owning an investment property is less and less attractive. We've also seen changes that have stopped developers creating more stock to help with the supply side. So we've got a demand situation where the demand has increased and a supply situation which is working against tenants, and the result is the natural effect of increasing in prices. It's not greedy landlords. So students and migration are driving a lot of the rental demand, and they're looking for uber convenient locations such as inner Melbourne, Carlton, St Kilda Road, South Yarra, South Melbourne, Richmond. These are the popular suburbs at the moment that they're after. They generally want somewhere to base themselves. They don't need very large. They just need somewhere to base themselves for the first year or two while they get established. So we've seen tenants move into Melbourne when the rents fell due to COVID, and now the rents have risen again, and so they're moving back to their previous held locations. So this is now impacting across Melbourne. We're seeing the inner ring of suburbs, if you go around Hawthorn, Maribyrnong, Coburg, Brunswick, etc., really starting to boom as people can no longer afford the CBD and they're moving back to where they originated. In Q3, I think that we'll still see a tight rental market with prices still correcting to where they should be after the COVID low rates that we experienced. We'll still see a lot of transition of tenants moving from place to place as rents have jumped from their early lows. This year's peak season, which is January through to March, was really active. Now that's finished and we're seeing an interesting space. We've got a lot of tenants that have had significant rent increases recently, forcing them to move. So we're seeing more transactions than we normally do at this time of year. Yet demand has tapered off slightly from the peak period. So we're seeing that prices are stagnating a little bit. It's an interesting time and unusual in the marketplace.